Sirkal kaunti ma Homa Bay odonjo ogirimiti gi bengi mar Equity mar jiwo dongruok e kaunti no kokalo uchumi mar nam gi pur. Kanoloso romo madhi nyime mokelo kanyakla joket mwandu e gwenge ma Nyanza, Gavana Gladys Wanga oyango geno mar bero pur e kaunti no kaluwore ogirimiti makamano.
In the landscape of the blue economy, we will be working with Equity, our beach management units, other private sector, our communities to promote investment in the blue economy. Second is on the area of agriculture. And Homa Bay, as you know, has prioritized certain value chains, being fish, cotton, as a very highly prioritized value chain. So we look forward to working with Equity Bank and our cotton cooperatives.
Equity Bank Kenya has a balance sheet of 1 trillion as we stand today. That gives us the financial muscle to do a full value add across farmers. So we'll start with financial literacy, which is important for us. We are looking to do trade connections between markets within the country and even out of the country.